Hi friends, it's Stacy at Florida Life Real Estate Agency and Mobile Home Sales. I'd like to show you around this home today, so let's get to it.
This home is located in Village on the Greens at 508 44th Avenue East. This is lot M-14. For pricing and more details, please see the description under the title below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to be notified of future videos. This is a 1968 double with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Entering the sunroom, into the open living, dining, and kitchen area. Living and dining room space both have built-in shelving and storage. This home is offered turnkey. And down the hall to the right, you will find a linen closet and then the guest bath with a tub shower combo. And the guest bedroom with 2 closets and a built-in dresser. Both bedrooms have space-saving slider doors. And into the primary, which has 3 closets, a built-in dresser, and an ensuite with a step-in shower. and out to the large laundry room, storage, and workshop. Which also has access at the front of the home at the carport as well as the back of the home. Where you will also find another storage shed. As a reminder, for pricing and more details about this home, please see the description under the title below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Village on the Greens is a 55-plus gated pet-free community that offers a clubhouse, shuffleboard, swimming pool, and many social activities.
Thanks again for checking out this Florida Life listing. If you have any questions about this home or others that might be available, feel free to give me a call or text at 941-809-1318. Again, it's 941-809-1318. I'm always happy to set up a personalized search for you to find just the right home for you. And if you're thinking about listing your home, Florida Life can help you with all your real estate needs, including manufactured housing in land lease parks. I'd love to hear from you. Once again, our phone number is 941-809-1318. You can also find us on the web at floridaliferealestateagency.com or floridalifemobilehomesales.com. No matter how you find us, I'll be happy that you did. Have a great day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye for now.